Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers from the team of Curriestocustard. We are so glad that you found us. Today, we are going to create a super healthy recipe using our favorite fruit, mango. We are going to make a green mango smoothie, which is rich in many nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, B, B6, probiotic fibers, magnesium, copper, and many more nutrients. So it's great for your health. Try out this delicious smoothie and share your thoughts with us. If you're watching this for the first time, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel Curriestocustard. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. So let's get started. To make this green mango smoothie, we would need a large mango cut into pieces, a banana cut into pieces, handful of spinach that needs to be washed, some organic honey which is totally optional, and half a glass of water. We would start with adding mangoes, bananas and spinach into the blending jar. Now add honey into it, which is totally optional, and please use only organic honey. Finally, add some water into it. Now we would blend it. The consistency of the smoothie has to be like a puree, so please adjust the water quantity as per your convenience. Pour it into a large glass and voila, our delicious and super healthy green mango smoothie is ready to be served. And yeah, please don't throw those mango peels because we are going to show you an amazing skin tightening and anti-aging face pack which you can find on our different channel Haldi Chandan. So follow us there. Stay tuned. Please do try making our recipes and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.